video will tell you some fundamental requirements to design a basic HTML web page. To design a basic HTML web page, there are mainly first requirement is tags. So what is tags? Tags are used to provide the element of the web page. There are mainly two types of tags used: starting tag and end tag. The start tag is used with the symbol. Inside the start tag, there is a start dot arrow, write the name of the element, and here also write the name of the element. Therefore, this is start tag and this is end tag. How to write with tag? Simple tag. Title, this is the start tag, and this is the title of the element, and this is our start tag, and this is our end tag. And inside the element, write my first page. This is details is letter. Elements for designed a HTML page. HTML element is the root element of my HTML page. It is the root element. It is alias given the top of the page. Tag element contains meta information about the document. Inside the this element, we keep the HTML link with CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, etc. This is the title. This title provides the name of the web page title, which is displayed top of the border. Body element contains the visual page content. So whatever write inside the body part, all are displayed top of the all are displayed in the page. Suppose not into a page tag, whatever we see, all are written in the body part. So inside the body part, all are displayed in the pages, other part not displayed. H1, H2, H6, up to H6, these are used for heading purpose in the web pages. This is the element are used to provide the paragraph of the web pages. So this is the basic structure of the HTML page. We already mentioned that any page start with the HTML page, HTML element. So first we write the HTML, this is the start, then we write head, then we write title. This is the start element and this is the end element. The page is title, this is the title of the page and display on the bottom. Now we start the head, so we should also close the head, not the body. But we mentioned that body is the element inside the body or through the display in the web page. So this is the heading, this is the heading, this is the heading. This part is only display in the web page. This is the paragraph, this is the paragraph, this part also heading the other display the paragraph and close the body. So we start the HTML, we also start the to close the HTML. So this is the basic structure of the HTML page. To design a HTML page, we also need some HTML things which is called CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a language that describes the style of an HTML document. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. Basic properties of CSS. Color is for text color. To define the various color of the text in the web page, we use color properties. Background, this is basically used to give the background items. Suppose you want to see display the background image, then use background image property. Suppose you want to display the background color, then use background color, background indications, background position, etc. are used for background properties. Margins. Properties are used to create space around elements outside of any defined borders. When we create a particular area or type of partition to provide the extra space around on left or right, on top or bottom, then we use the margins property. Padding property. Margins and padding property almost same. Only difference is that margins property provide the space around the area and the outside of the area, and padding provide the space inside the area. Hash and dot. Hash and dots, these two things are used in CSS to provide the name of the partition. When you use hash, then in HTML a reference ID and traces dot, then it is going to use reference for this class. These two things will understand when we write a practical like CSS and HTML pages. Some other property of basics. Height is to set the height of the element. It's provide the page height. It's write in the unit of height in pixel or em or 100% or auto. Width is to set the width of an element. Font size is provide the size of the font or text in the web page. Font family is provide the size provide the family like Arial to large Arial, etc. Font height is provide the thickness or width or bold of the font. Text align it is used to vertical alignment or horizontal alignment of the text, left, right, or center. Plot is to set the original positions of the element. Either you want to plot it left side or right side. Border is to set the border of the element, it is to set the border of the element of a particular position. Hello friends, in next video I will show you how to design HTML page with CSS in practical. If this video helpful for you, please